You know how to make a small fortune racing.
Start
with a large fortune.
Yeah.
Today there's an autocross at the Turtle Creek Stadium, which is where the Pit Spitters play. We actually sponsor the Pit Spitters, and that has nothing to do with the autocross, but pretty stoked because I think it's a great local organization, and I think it's really cool that they're involved in letting the motorsports community rent their parking lots. So, first autocross of the year, first autocross of the ever for me in this car. I haven't autocrossed in 15 years. When I went online to register for this one, it said your last login date was, you know, like whatever, August of whatever year. I'm gonna be terrible, I know it, but yeah. I pulled the spacers off the front wheels last night because they rub really bad. Got the car kind of prepped and cleaned and stuff, so I think it'll be good. I'm late, so I have to quickly get all the crap out of my car and get over to tech because there's only like 15 minutes for it to be done. That was a lot easier and faster than I thought. I have to remember there's like 1,000 things I have to turn off in this car before I autocross, like the steering assist and the lane keep assist. The lane keep assist might help. The parking sensors. The guy responsible for this whole thing. It's all your fault.
Yeah, it's my fault.
Actually, so Laura, the person that is forcing me to spend more money on cars. I am so nervous right now. Just gotta go slow. First lap, just get through the course. I guess I just don't want to get lost on the course. That's my only goal. Here we go. Missed it. Not nearly as intimidating as I thought. I missed, I think, the gate on the first one, but oh, 40. Not bad for my first run. I just didn't want to not get into the 40s, so 40.0 gives me a good starting place. That's nice. Oh, we're good?
Inside here, inside. There you go. Then you come out on the outside on this one and you have a wider arc. Shit. Gas. Gas. Yeah, keep it up. You can put a lot of gas in that last long.
Yeah.
It's just a quick hesitation about halfway through.
Woo! Got 2.5 seconds off there. Thank you.
God, that's fun. So now what you do is you go out and you check your tire pressure.
Yeah.
See on the tire where it's hot. If it's hot in the middle, you have too much. If it's hot on the outside, you don't have enough.
Thank you very much. That was hugely helpful.
If you can clean up this beginning spot,
yeah,
you'll be faster.
That's coming out of there. I just got to remember that that's a gate, not a cone,
smooth as fast.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Look at this. They have Mr. Peanut as the flag guy.
All right, run number 3. Not a good run. Trying too hard. Not good. 38. A little slower than my last run, but the last run I did have Curtis telling me exactly what to do, so
I gotta slow down, focus. All right, so on my third run, I think the problem there was that I'm an idiot. So.
You having fun?
So much.
All right.
This is great.
You coming tomorrow?
Hell yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, I bogged really bad. Damn it. I hit the rev limiter that time. 38. Oh, I still can't get to the same time that I got with Curtis in the car, but this is so much fun. If I would have not bogged off the line that time, I would have done so much better. I've done 4 autocross runs, back to back to back. I think we started at 1:30 or 1:45 and it's 2:15, whatever. So I've done 4 runs back to back to back. My IAT's right there, 129. It's 80 degrees outside right now. So anybody that's like, the BMS Intake's heat soak, I'm flogging the hell out of this car. I was bouncing off the rev limiter in second gear for half the course. And it's, I mean, the IATs are still pretty solid. Like, I think that the heat soak thing is the dumbest argument ever. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. It's actually an LS power. That's so sick. Started out a lot better though. I think my next run will be my best. Holy shit, 36! Nice! That was my best by far. So good. Might have been good, I'm not really sure. 36.5, that was my fast. So my last run was the fastest of the day for me. So I started with a 40.0, ended with a 36.5. The fastest car I saw so far was like a 32.5.
STU, 4 cars, 4th place, Dylan Bennett, 3rd place, Ian Ashton. 2nd place for a trophy, Isaac Jackson, and 1st place, Harvey Nuttall. 34.93.
I finished 3rd in my class of 4. I'm just making excuses. But I finished, I think my fastest was about a 36.5 or a 36.8. My starting lap was like a 40 point something. So the fastest of the day was a 32.5-ish. So I had a couple seconds behind the fastest. Pretty good. I'm so stoked about this. I'm really excited for tomorrow. But anyway, I guess you could pay $5 more. There's extra time, so pay a little bit extra and then get to do some more runs. So I'm gonna do that before I head home, and I'll be back here actually to do this again tomorrow. So yeah, might be a different video. I don't know. almost had a good one.
Oh, that's still fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Oh, this is a fast car.
Yeah, it gets up and goes. You can drive it if you want, if they'll let you.